Guys, this is the all new Alcazar, and it looks gorgeous from the front and almost looks like Creta, but आगे का जो grill है, this is something like little bit different treatment. If I take you to the sides, साइड से गाड़ी और लंबी हो चुकी है, and at the half almost looks like Creta, but at the rear it looks different and looks like a regular SUV, and it has 18-inch of alloy wheels which are really good and big and looks gorgeous too. In the rear you will get the LED light treatment and wipers, defoggers, shark fin antenna, everything, and you get this big Alcazar badging. So this car has 360 cameras, so you have a camera over here and you also have a puddle lamp and you have a camera at the front. So you get the same lights like Creta and you get a camera here. The color I liked it very much because it has kind of different kind of brown this is, and it has some golden sparkles, kind of a bronze look, which looks very nice. If you look at the handles, it has black chrome, which is unique. Overall, the car looks very huge and very nice, and at the same time compact, and looks great actually. Let me take you inside. In the inside we have this huge screen. In the instrument cluster it's completely digital. I don't have the key, so that's the reason I cannot on it. And the layout overall is just like Creta. The only thing is the color difference. It has this brown color look to the seats and overall upholstery, but looks very premium. And it has BlueLink and this 10.25-inch touchscreen from Creta, and all the mounted controls on the steering and everything. The first in the segment is this huge screen which looks really gorgeous, and it has Bose sound system. And overall from the inside the car is more or less the Creta. Everything is same. You have this electronic parking brake, and you have all the USBs and automatic climate control and everything on this car. The switch controls are all same, just like Creta. You have everything. For power windows, you have mirror controls, everything. And you have a sunglass holder, 2 lights, and this is auto dimming mirror with BlueLink and SOS button. Let's go to the rear where this car is specialized in. So this is the 7-seater version, and where this car excels in is in space department. So I have enough space in the second row, and 3 people can sit in really well. आराम से बैठ सकते हैं 3 लोग. The rear 2 seats are slightly compact, so it is just like other 7-seaters. You have less space and you can't do more with it. Yeah, it's good for kids, and it has a cool function to go to the rear seats. It has a nice one-touch tumble system, जिससे आप इजीली पीछे वाले रो में जा सकते हो. एंड पीछे वाले रो में जाना बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है, बट स्पेस की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी है, और यू हैव टू एडजस्ट जस्ट टू शो अंडर थाई सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. हाइट में कोई इशू नहीं है. एंड दिस कार अक्रॉस ऑल द रेंज यू विल गेट द पैनोरामिक सनरूफ, विच इज़ रियली नाइस. थर्ड रो में यू विल गेट अ AC, USB चार्जर, AC controller, and a water bottle pocket, which is nice. Overall luxury का काफ़ी ध्यान दिया गया है, but only thing is the third seat is again not that huge and could have been better. बूट काफ़ी अच्छा है गाड़ी का, बूट कंपेयर टू द कंपटीशन इज़ गुड. अगर मैं अभी ये बंद करूँगा तो मैं जा नहीं पाऊँगा. सो लेट्स गो आउट ऑफ इट. सीट्स फोल्ड करना काफ़ी इजी थी. लेट्स ओपन द बूट. बूट काफ़ी बड़ा है. बूट बड़ा इन द सेंस फॉर अ 7 सीटर इट इज़ द हाईएस्ट बूट, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. 180 लीटर्स एंड वी हैव सम स्मॉल स्पेस हियर टू कीप थिंग्स. बट हाँ, मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ पे शायद ही 2 बड़े बैग रहेंगे, बट ओवरऑल फिर भी डिसेंट है बिकॉज दे हैव ट्राइड टू मेक दिस अ 7 सीटर इन अ कॉम्पैक्ट साइज़. तो उस हिसाब से गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी पैकेज की हुई है एंड यू विल गेट ऑल द फीचर्स इन द कार एंड रियली ब्यूटीफुल कार. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. सो यू विल ऑल्सो गेट दिस रूफ रेल्स विच इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. ओवरऑल गाड़ी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. So this grill look is awesome, and finally Hyundai has got one 7-seater which will be liked by everyone and everyone can use it. Only thing is the models are very expensive. So जो SX है Creta का, वो Alcazar में is a base model and that's why it starts from 16 lakhs and goes up to 20 lakhs. So that was a little bit downside for me because I was thinking कि ये around 12-13 लाख से शुरू होगी and it will go up to 20 lakhs. बट नेवरदलेस उनको एक प्रीमियम गाड़ी बनानी थी एंड दे हैव मेड अ प्रीमियम कार आउट ऑफ इट.